Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is complaint. It's a B1 level noun, and it means an expression of dissatisfaction. So, basically, it's what you do when you're not happy about something. In everyday language, a complaint is simply when you express that you don't like something or that something isn't good enough. For example, I have a complaint about the service at the restaurant. Let's explore some synonyms for complaint. One good synonym is grievance. A grievance is a real or imagined wrong or other cause for complaint or protest, especially unfair treatment. For example, the workers filed a grievance against their employer. Another synonym is objection. An objection is an expression or feeling of disapproval or opposition, a reason for disagreeing. For example, her objection was that the proposal was too expensive. We can also use the word protest as a synonym, especially when the complaint is about something public or political. For example, the citizens staged a protest against the new law. Another option is criticism. Criticism is the expression of disapproval of someone or something based on perceived faults or mistakes. For example, the film received mixed criticism from the reviewers. And another synonym is grumble. A grumble is to complain about something in a bad-tempered way. For example, he continued to grumble about the food. Now, let's look at some antonyms for complaint, words that mean the opposite. One antonym is praise. Praise is the expression of approval or admiration for someone or something. For example, the teacher gave the student praise for their hard work. Another antonym is compliment. A compliment is a polite expression of praise or admiration. For example, she received a compliment on her beautiful dress. Another useful antonym is approval. Approval means the belief that someone or something is good or acceptable. For example, the plan received approval from the board of directors. Another opposite of complaint is satisfaction. Satisfaction is pleasure or contentment resulting from the fulfillment of one's wishes or needs. For example, she expressed her satisfaction with the quality of the product. And finally, we can also use the word agreement as an antonym. Agreement is harmony or accordance in opinion or feeling. For example, there was general agreement on the proposed solution. So, how can you use the word complaint in everyday life? Well, imagine you order something online and it arrives damaged. You might say, I want to make a complaint about this broken item. Or, if you are unhappy with the service you receive in a shop, you could say, I have a complaint regarding the rude staff member. In common expressions, you might hear phrases like, to file a complaint, which means to officially register your complaint with the relevant authority. For instance, he filed a complaint with the police. Or you might hear someone say, I have no complaints, which means they are perfectly happy with the situation. Here are some more usage examples of the word complaint in sentences. The customer had a complaint about the noise level in the hotel room. The company received several complaints about its new product. She lodged a formal complaint against her colleague. His constant complaints were starting to annoy everyone. The doctor listened patiently to the patient's complaints. I have a complaint to make about the late delivery. The neighbors made a complaint about the loud music. The store manager addressed the customer's complaint immediately. He ignored her complaints and continued his behavior. After many complaints, the company finally changed its policy. So, to summarize, a complaint is an expression of dissatisfaction. Some synonyms include grievance, objection, protest, criticism, and grumble. Antonyms include praise, compliment, approval, satisfaction, and agreement. Remember, you can use complaint in everyday situations to express your unhappiness about something. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. Now, I have a little challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word complaint and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.